Hello students, today after long time I am before you. Here numerical for you for class 11th regular examinations and competitive examinations also, NEET, IIT Mains. It is from the chapter force. It is from the chapter force. Here I have written a question and here a diagram. After looking on the diagram, I think that no need to read question. It doesn't mean that your NEET examination or any competitive examination you are not going to read question. But here things are very clear. In this diagram, either tension or acceleration is asked. Yes, students, it is a free body diagram. Whenever you are solving these questions, keep one thing in the mind, that if one body, then on that body, how immediate forces are coming. Immediate forces on that body. If discussing about the 3 kg, you are not concerned about the T1. You are discussing about the 1 kg, not concerned about the T2. So how can you solve this question? And here we are going to find out acceleration of the system by the question. Here one thing is very clear. Suppose that it is very clear 3 kg, 1 kg. So this 3 kg greater than 1 kg. It is very clear that acceleration is towards downwards here, because 3 kg is larger than 1 kg. So here what will be mg? Weight. So 3 into g, this is the weight. It means on the 3 kg body, 3g, g equal to acceleration due to gravity is downwards direction. And here also that is the 1 into g, and that is g, that is the weight g in the downward direction. But here one thing is very clear, although weight always downward direction, but here this 3 kg is coming downward direction, then this 6 kg will move with the same acceleration here, and this 1 kg object going up with the same acceleration. Because it is a system, then all the system has only one acceleration. It is very clear that the train is moving, then engine, AC coach, general coach, sleeper coach, all have same acceleration, although forces are different on the each body, but acceleration the same. Okay, but here we are going to find out only acceleration of the system by the question. Take this 3 kg body, take this 3 kg body, downward force is 3g. So write here 3g. What does oppose this 3g to coming down? This is opposed by T2. T2 is the tension. In the rope, tension is produced. And if rope is uniform, that is the not thick or thin, uniformly, that is the, then in this condition, that in two connective body, one same type of tension. So your tension is T2. We know that tension is a force, 3g, weight, both are force, and difference of force is always force, right? So here what we write? 3a means that is the 3g downward, T2 upward, and difference is force on that entire 3g body, and 3 kg body is 3a. So now see this 6 kg. T2 is pulling. So here T2. Which one is opposing? T1. Here 6 kg. So 6 A. Now this 1 kg body is going in the upward direction, but 1 kg body is going in the upward direction, but here weight is in the downward direction. It means T1 is greater. It means T1 is greater. It means T1 is greater. So T1 is pulling this weight in the upward direction. Then what we write here? T1 and no opposing force like this. So T1 equal to how much? So here T1 minus G equal to 1 into A. Now see this here. T2, T2 cancel, T1, T1 cancel, then 3G minus G, 2G. And that is here, add on, it is the 10A. Then you know that G equal to 10, it is given, so it is the 10A. So A equal to 20 upon 10, and that is A equal to 2 meter per second square. This is the answer. So the acceleration of the system is 2 meter per second square. Okay, see you again.